going!
Hey, is this,
Have you guys seen the Shrek video?
Is this filming?
Yeah. Do you have anything to put in my back? Is my back zipped up? Is it good? Is it ready to go?
Oh, good, homie. Let's go.
My shoes in between next round.
Are we good?
Hit! No.
I hit Amy.
I'm gonna cut your balls off with a butter knife.
That hand
You want to
guard
not
just,
do that anymore?
That hand guard, I just want to fuck that hand guard with my penis.
Alright, Curtis. What's the plan?
I don't know any of the trainer.
Let's just kind of cross our fingers that there's gas in this. Yep.
Yes, faggot.
You want to die? Okay. Timmy, you are not going. Go over there with
I'm
BB.
going with
Curtis, I got your 6. 69. That's right. Seaside Nature, who's boss, Curtis.
Are they just gonna stay there?
Who cares? Solid CO.
Let's just let them get killed.
It's alright, we don't need them. BB is gonna be Tim's babysitter. Listen, Curtis.
On? Yeah. Alright, yes. Here we go. Left!
I see him, he's going that way. Alright, my 6, let's go.
They're all there! You got Max! There he is! Yeah.
I'm hit. Dad. You wanna revive me, bro?
Alright, who's down?
I'm down.
Timmy's down, Ryan's down.
Hey, Timmy, I'm still up.
Oh, no, Timmy's up. Where's Timmy? Now you see the majestic Timmy moving through the forest. Okay, Timmy's hit!
Timmy's dead.
I'm hit.
Timmy down! Get Ryan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
BB's like right behind us.
Yeah, we gotta get out of the way.
Oh god.
Hit! Ah. Damn it!
That was after the bullet fire, what? He stopped for like 10 seconds and then... Oh, that HPD, I'm getting a boner.
No, we're not gonna do that.
They already did that though.
Wait, what?
They did that.
You didn't?
You're alive now.
I'm alive.
Contact is right there.
Apparently they did.
You're all alive now. Whoa. Revive! Hunter! 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 Are we doing revive?
Oh.
Oh, okay, we're all back in there!
Go, go, go! Get in there! Oh, hit! Hit!
I gotta kill boys! I need cover! Thank you, babe. Welcome, babies.
Is Ryan not dead? This is so confusing. Alright, Timmy, on me. We're moving around. Timmy said on me. Are you dead? You dead? Alright. Is everyone dead? Timmy, on me.
Yeah.
We just gotta find Max, right? Where's Max? Hunter, where's Max?
Interrogation time. Oh, Maxie boy!
Maxwell! Dinner time! Yeah, but where's Where's Max? Oh, he's dead? Alright then.